Today I have a really short video showing how I redesigned the goat water system using a rain barrel, a pig nipple, and a rain gutter. Well, here we have a goat drinking out of a pig nipple. I read some professor studied it and found out goats drink just as much with a pig nipple as they do out of a bucket, and that they are not picky which one they drink out of. So this is a lot easier for me, and it keeps the water clean and good. And if we come up, we'll see that it just goes into a rain gutter and collects it. That way I don't have to keep putting water into the goat tank. I originally had a smaller water barrel, but as you can see, it needs to be a certain height or else the goat's just going to walk over the fence. So for every square foot of roof, there is 0.62 gallons of water each time it rains 1 inch. So I figure that my billy goat house is a 8 by 4 foot or 32 square feet roof. That will produce about 20 gallons each time it rains 1 inch, and in South Carolina it rains 1 inch a lot, probably about 3 times a month. So given that, I'm hoping not to have to fuss with goat water again. If you like this video, check out my channel. There's more where this came from. Give it a like and subscribe, or see one of these videos that's on the screen right now.